That's not how it's gonna be. And I deny the tears in my eyes. I don't wanna let you see. No, that you have made our hole in my heart. And now I've got to fool myself. I'll get over you. I know I will. I pretend my ship's not sinking. And I'll tell myself I'm over you. 'Cause I'm the king I wish for. I'll get over you. I know I will. I'll pretend my ship's not sinking. And I'll tell myself I'm over you.
Posting of human remains. On Friday, state lawmakers passed a bill allowing the process called natural organic reduction. It's an accelerated decomposition process, turning a deceased human body into soil within weeks. The results.
That is disgusting. Okay, so today I'm gonna wash and wax the car.
We're on a night run. Boy, you better hold your tongue. Talking like you're coming from Kingdom Come. Rhythm and reeling, the feeling. I'm riding the sound through the ceiling. Hey, hey, never got no money, but I'm running from Tacoma. Isn't flooded, cold-blooded, no money, drunk and something low. I'm killing the moonlight with daylight. I got my X-ray eyes and I'm feeling so fine. Not running.
Alright, so the car is done.
Under the nightshade, tell me what we're hiding from. Like someone could steal it. Are we waiting for some kind of feeling, or saving it up for the morning? Undercover, the cloak and dagger. Is there a creature?
Hashtag when you go to a gas station / car wash and your car is cleaner than the cars coming out of the car wash equals ballin'.
I come through with helicopters, buku blades in helicopter. Looking like a dollar be a dog, we be grazing in the lawn. Who the fuck else there to stop? A bitch come through, blue thing, turn into new state, but I think you really.
Alright, so we stopped at my mom's. I had to pick up some plants. So I got about 50 pounds of dirt and plants in the trunk right now. Not exactly happy about that because the car is perfectly spotless. So the problem with going to Home Depot is that the parking lot is littered with stuff that will pop your tire. So I try to park really far away. I mean, I try to park far away anyway, wherever I park, but more so here. Alright, now I'm gonna have some lunch. I think I'm gonna have like a ham sandwich or something, I don't know. Okay, so as you guys can tell, it's freaking gorgeous out today. So that means I'm gonna try to do as much work as I possibly can, which it really isn't that much. I gotta plant a few, I can't think of the name, what they're called. And then we gotta throw down some grass seed and just set that up, and then that's it. The rest of the day is mine. See, all this needs to be seeded. Registration in.
And we lapped it up and we're wise enough to know me, honey, but we're wise enough to know how it goes. Forgive me, honey, 'cause we know this feeling all a little too well. Listen, the distance between us could have took a while once we closed that day.
Alright, just got back from the ride. No, I think I sprained my arm. You can see like there's a bump there. It's super inflamed and it hurts like hell. Wish I could ride more. Oh well.
And I suppose you've come now to help me add to the real. Why we laughed it up and we're wise enough, who knows?
You guys were wondering how to tune a car. I mean, I'm sure you already know, like, who doesn't know how to tune a car? So you do it with this thing called a computer. You hook it to the car and punch some stuff in. Tunes your car. I know.
Oh, babe. You're so sunburned. You look like you're super sunburned.
I'm in bad shape right now. My leg hurts because I burnt it on the exhaust.
Ooh.
This thing is swollen.
What is that from?
I think it's sprained.
From what?
Remember from like a week ago,
Oh, when we were doing stuff in the yard?
Yeah. It just today it aggravated it, and then it started to get swollen. And I was putting I put like ice on it.
Okay, that's good.
So I don't know. I'm trying to go easy. I'm trying not to like lift heavy things now with it.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, the bugs are bad if you stay in one place. But anyway, so I put in pasta there.
Go ahead and tell me something real.